Dubai real estate is going crazy right now, but not for the reason you think. The villa in Jumeirah Park sold for 13.5 million dirham. That's around 2090 per square feet on 6th April 2026. Capital gain of 29%. Previous price 10.5 million. Sounds like the market is exploding right now. But here's most people don't know about the previous transaction. Same property was bought in 10.5 million dirham, 1630 per square feet. After 1 month, it was sold in 13.5 million dirham. That's a 3 million jump in just 30 days. This is not a normal market growth. This is mostly like a flip property, a fully renovation, a fully upgraded asset.